Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix Borderlands, the crashing on Han guide will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of verified game files integrity. Content launch the Epic Games Launcher or Steam. Depending on your purchase platform, look at Borderlands in your library. Select the game and look for an option to verify game files. Check integrity of game files or similar phrasing. This process will scan your installed game files and automatically replace any corrupted or missing files, although the process to complete fully restarting your may be necessary afterwards to ensure the changes take effect. Step update graphics drivers. Content outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a common cause of game crashes. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA and or Intel, and download the latest drivers. For your specific card model, ensure you download the correct drivers. For your operating system, Windows or likely in you install your current drivers completely using the manufacturer's provided software before installing the new ones. Restart your PC after installation.
Step B. Adjust in-game graphics settings. Content high graphical settings can strain your system and lead to crashes. Lower the resolution, reduce shadow quality. Turn off anti-aliasing and decrease other graphical details like texture quality and effects. Experiment to find the optimal balance between visual quality and performance stability. Consider running the game in windowed mode or borderless windowed mode as an alternative to full screen. Step or close background applications. Content running multiple applications simultaneously can consume significant system resources, potentially leading to game instability. Close unnecessary programs and applications running in the background before launching Borderlands. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other resource-intensive software. Use the Task Manager process to identify and close these applications. Step check system requirements and upgrade hardware. Content ensure your meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for Borderlands. If your system is significantly below the minimum requirements, upgrading your components RAM might be necessary to achieve stable gameplay. Pay attention to your CPU usage, RAM usage, and CPU usage during gameplay. If any are consistently near, upgrading the respective component will likely improve stability.